Ugh. You know what happened? I swallowed my cough drop. That was that weird gulp you heard. I still had a little cough drop left, but I accidentally swallowed it. Well, I'm not choking on it, which is good. But that's not, it's a little too big. I normally don't talk so much while I'm having a cough drop. So anyways, breaking news, part of my cough drop is down there right now, but it will dissolve eventually. Anyways, wow. That's what I get for having a cough drop on the ear. I'm okay.